Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how you can install WordPress in one click. This is the easiest and the quickest method to install WordPress. First you need to log into your Cpanel by using your username and password. After login, you have to go to the Softaculous app installer under the WordPress. Then you will see this screen. You just need to click install. After that you will see this screen. In this screen you can see you can choose HTTPS or HTTP, and if your domain already have SSL certificate you can choose HTTPS. Then and you can see another box here. If you want to install WordPress in a directory, then you can type anything here, and if you want to install WordPress direct on the domain, you just select the domain from here. I am going to install WordPress in a directory, so I am selecting my domain, and here I can type test2. So this is my directory. I want to install our WordPress in this directory. After that you can give a your site's name here, like is my site's name, and you can also put the your site's description. Here you need to put username, and you can change the password from here. And here this is the admin email. This is very important because in your websites, if anyone want to contact you, the email goes to this address, and if you want to change your password you need this email later. After that just you need to click install to install WordPress in your directory, and if you want to get the installation information you can put an email here. Just put an email here, and you need just one click to install the WordPress in your target domain. You can see the WordPress is installing now. We need to wait for some moment. Now our installation process is completed. This is our WordPress dashboard, and this is our site. This is very easy process to install WordPress in a one click. This is all for today, and if my video is helpful for you, please share, subscribe and comment below how I can improve my video more.